Welcome back to another edition of Euro Truck Simulator 2 with me, Chili Smith, driving for Sweet Truckle Career episode 35. So that's 35 jobs after this one. Services. I don't want any services. I don't want to purchase a trailer. Loads of them, look. Ooh. Requires level 12. Oh, okay. So you unlock them as you go, do you? Stock offers. My fleet configuration. None. Anyway, let's get on with it. Jobbos. I'm currently in Gothenburg. Just topped off some recycling material, I think. Right, we've got Ping up the road. Helsingborg back down the coast. That looks a good route. Back to Aalborg. No point doing that. We just came from over there. Oh, we've got a construction staircase. Good money. Not really. How far is it? Going down to Helsingborg again. Another big bucket. Don't fancy that down them corners, if I'm honest. Fax Joe. Where's that? High voltage cables. Tomatoes. No, Aalborg again. Fax Go Malmo. What's a bit further down? Use packaging again. Caviar. So we take some caviar. Fishy. Expensive. Good payer. Takes us around the edge of John Ponking, pling plong plonking. Karlskrona, that's another good long one. Wall panels. Keep having a look. Wooden beams. Oh, that's a good journey, isn't it? Steel cords. Another one. 9,000. They're too short. Rostock. Wood shavings. Why would you drive 4 tons of wood shavings? $479 kilometers. Scrap metal's worth a lot more than that. Canned tuna. Kirkenstand again. I don't want to go back up there. Hamburg. Been there. Excuse me. So let's have a look. What's a good payer? Empty wine bottles to Helsingborg. 6,000. I think that's a job, you know. It's fragile. And it's a double trailer. Go on, shall we do it? Well, let's go to Helsingborg, these two. Construction staircase. It's going to take a lot longer to get there. Articulated unit of tomatoes. Aalborg again though. I think we're going to have to go for pears. What's that one? Fax Go pears. Arctic unit. Standard delivery. Looks a bit wiggly for me for a double trailer. 8,000. Been to Oslo. Go on then. Saves me doing the recycling next week if I take it all today. Evening, Douglas.
You've got the contract. Now go.
He's a moody chuffer, isn't he? It's just a normal wagon. I've got no special things on the back. Oh, it's a double. It's a double. It's a double. Haha. How did I not realise? Or did I realise and forgot, like I always do, like all the time? As soon as I do it, I forget where I'm going. Yesterday, we were going back up to Denmark to finish off Denmark, get the last place on the map. And for some reason, I was convinced I was heading for Sweden. And was talking about going to Sweden.
Turn right.
I'm wondering why I wasn't actually heading in the right direction. It's because I wasn't going to Sweden. I was going back to Denmark and going back the way I came, like back on myself.
Turn right.
Oh, I'm going. Just making sure. That was pretty good. I didn't even curb it. Double trucking. Look at that. How long that is. Do you know one thing I wouldn't do? Drive this in real life. Ah, no chance. Not a chuffing hell. So you can see outside of the window.
Go straight.
When you look out the window, you couldn't in the Scania. Okay, 7th gear, maybe not ideal, but anyway, 206 kilometres to go with our empty bottles of wine. I took out the recycling, and that's what
Get
we've got.
ready to turn right.
Not sure how many tons. I can imagine glass weighs that much.
Turn right.
Can't see nothing coming. I'm going way too quick. Ooh. Way too low gear. All I'm concerned about is getting that big back end around the bend without hitting the curve.
Go straight.
If I can do that, I'll be more than happy. Right, we'll sit here. So, how's your evening going? Hope it's good. It's Friday, midnight, and we're driving through Sweden. With some empty wine bottles. To a place called Helsingborg. Sounds a bit like Helsingborg from Breaking Bad, doesn't it? That's what it reminds me of. Just because it's... Look, what are you doing, policeman? Causing all sorts of bother. If we go Malmo, I think we are, you know. I hope this isn't a really tight turn. Piggy, 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 piggy. He's not got his lights on properly. Turn right.
Keep right, and then turn right.
I'm giving myself a bit of swinging space, Doug. I'm not
Turn
sure.
right.
See what I mean? It's a bit tight. I thought it was going to be tight. It wasn't that tight. Keep right. Yeah. Thanks for the heads up, Douglas. Is that a policeman behind me or just a regular car? Do 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 do. Is that the children at the choo choo? It's like a big long train, isn't it? Let's get some gears. Let's get on the road. I didn't even see him, he was in a blind spot. My excuse. I like these DAFs. I think this is the one I did my training in. It's the same colour. got pretty much the same dash, I think. Air pressure's looking good. Fuel's looking alright. Ninth gear's perfect. In Medaf. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Malmo we're going to. No, Helsingborg, what am I on about? I've just said that. See what I mean? Forgetful. 2 minutes, I forget. Oh. He's been smoking something.
Go straight.
As I went past. Went it expected. As soon as I do that, I'm straight off. 8:28 Friday. We've got 5 hours. Alright. 8:26. 3:26. Yeah, we've got 5 hours. No, it's only one. Got we there at 3:25. We're going to be there. Which is ideal. 5 hours early. Anyone need a wee while I'm going past the services? 199 miles to go, but we're not going there. We're going the one below Helsingborg. Helsingborg. It's a lovely evening. Got a cloud in the sky. Keep your eye out for Santa in a few days' time. Is it a week now? What are we on? Friday. Less than a week, and it's Wednesday, so 5 days, 5 more sleeps. For those who don't celebrate Christmas, just have a nice time off and enjoy yourself. Have a relax. Moon. I wonder if the moon represents the moon in real time, because the moon is not, that's a bit less than half at the moment, so no, I'm going to say a no. But then again, I'm in the UK, not in Sweden. Pretty sure everywhere sees the same, don't they? Will it be the opposite side for Australia, because they're upside down? You know what I mean? When we're waxing, are they waning? When we're waning, are they waxing? It's going to be upside down for one of us, isn't it? The moon don't spin round. It stays where it is. Because it's spinning round. That's what, yeah. Head mess of that one. Oop. I believe it's one of the only planets, one of the only moons that actually spins in the direction it does. I think everything else, every other moon does the opposite. It spins the opposite direction, so I think the moon goes clockwise or anti-clockwise, and all the rest go the opposite, if you know what I mean. So it's a bit of a phenomenon. The fact that it is actually spinning, but because of the Earth and the Moon and its lock, we only see one side of it. And the dark side of the Moon is not really dark. Because the sun hits it sometimes, isn't it? Most of the time. It's just dark to us because we're the wrong side of it. Ooh, petrol 191. Oh, 19.19. Not sure what the currency is in Sweden. Have you got the euro? Never really seen a euro. Last time I went to France, it was still francs. Last time I went to Spain, it was still pesetas. That's the last time I've been to America, but they've always been dollars. Apart from that, I haven't left the UK since. Train. Ha ha. Not bad. Not as good as the
Go straight.
Scania, but better effort than the what was it? It was the man. Volvo, wasn't it? Kid's toy. It's not much of a warning horn. "59 kilometres to go. There was 59 kilometres to go. There's 59 kilometres. 59 kilometres, but it says 61 kilometres to go. 53 minutes. We've got 8 hours. 6 hours ish. So 50 minutes to get there, and 2 hours, 3 hours parking. That looks pretty cool. That's sort of a... Oh, I don't like doing it, but it did look cool. Bumble strip, bumble strip, bumble strip, bumble strip. Not many police out tonight. They'll be in town because it's Friday. That's what it is. Catching drink drivers, Christmas. Junk pumping punking. We don't want to go there, we'll just go past it. Not far away though, is it? New roads discovered. We've got new roads discovered. Not a double trailer, this one, is it? Is it? Yeah, it is. Was that the last one? No, definitely this one's still the double trailer. Is it tomatoes? No, it's empty wine bottles from my recycling caravan. Two big wagons of it. He's not overtaking, is he? So you know that I don't... Ah, he wants to go right. That's what it is. He can't get past me.
Keep right, and then exit right.
Better. Yeah, I'm taking it wide. Look at that.
Exit right.
I hope I didn't make him lose his route. Nice and slow, no rush. Almost there, Helsingborg. With me massive trailer. One of the parking is going to be like... Last time I did a big trailer, I couldn't even get in the gate because it was a really narrow gate, and there was no way a double trailer, not without really messing around, and it was quite late at night. I just thought, I'm just not going to be able to do that. I'm a sightseer, I'm a sightseer.
Keep right, and then turn right.
12 out of 27. That means I've got 15 countries I've not visited.
Turn right.
In a minute, Douglas, in a minute. Take it wide. Are we here? I believe we're... Is that a rock or a bin bag? It's leaving rubbish in the middle of the street. Really?
Get ready to turn left.
That's not very
Turn left.
hygienic, is it? What's he gonna say? Excuse me. Might as well go right out. Why?
We're here.
Yeah, I know
Right
we
on
are.
time.
Thank you, Dougie. We got proper early, actually. Where do you want it? There's only one place to put it, and that's over there. Okay. Thank you. I can do that, I think. Proceed to unloading area. Proceed to unloading area. I'm gonna get it right round as far as I can. Use all of the car park. Don't hit that post though. As far as I'm aware, I didn't hit any curb. Right, let's get tight up against that wall. Tight. tight. Ooh. Come on. That's right. Go away. Stop it. Let's roll it in now. Come on. Roll it in. Nice and slow. Like a glove. Come on, give it me. Yeah, I like it a lot. Pretty easy though, eh? Just gotta get the right angle. Hello, doggy. Little dog. Sitting on my knee. Ooh, come on then. Hello, Vegas. Not my dog. Looking after it for a friend. 2 dogs over Christmas. So I've got 3 dogs for Christmas. 3 dogs for Christmas. Well, that was episode 35. We managed to get our glass delivered. Bottles, empty wine bottles delivered in time. We are now on 164,717 euros. Why does that say? Oh, that's a profit in the last 7 days. Okay, it's not. That's all profit. That's last 7 days. Look at his little face. He looks so happy. Look at me. Hello, Mr. Snowman. Here's me daff. I think this is what I was describing in the last one. Anyway, thanks for joining me again. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. And I'll catch you in the next one.